Actually, it's 195 countries, which is the members of the Interpol, and it's going to be 196 this year. His Excellency Senator Ibrahim Gaiden, Honorable Minister of Police Affairs, the representative of His Excellency Paul Ahmed Tinubu, the President of the Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Senator Hope Ozdemir, Executive Governor of Omo State, Your Excellencies, Honorable Ministers, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I am pleased to be in Nigeria at the 4th edition of the Conference and Retreat of Senior Police Officers. Founded in 1930, Nigeria Police Forces has continued to action its vision of making Nigeria safer and more secure for everyone living here. Since joining Interpol in 1960, Nigeria has also played a key role in tackling regional and international crime. The Nigerian Police Force of 350,000 has been crucial and ensuring the safety and security of the local population. While working alongside with other police forces from the neighboring countries to fight against organized crime in West Africa. As leaders in policing, it's our collective responsibilities to safeguard the lives of people within our communities and beyond. In our capacity, we have the power to enhance security, to promote cooperation, and to facilitate knowledge sharing. Nigeria's geostrategic location has attracted organized criminal groups who often smuggle illicit goods or use Nigeria as a stepping stone to reach other continents. Interpol's National Central Bureau in Abuja is fundamental in maintaining national and regional security. Nigeria has played a vital role in several Interpol operations and initiatives over the years, demonstrating its commitment to tackling transnational crimes. This year alone, the joint Interpol-Afripol operation, Flash Awake, targeted the human trafficking and migrants smuggling, resulting in over 1,000 arrests worldwide, thanks to the support of Nigeria several countries. And also Operation Jackal, which took place in May of this year, tackled West Africa-based organized crime group like Black Axe, recognized and recovered over 2 million euros, identifying more than 200 bank accounts linked to the illicit activities of online financial crimes. Your National Police Force has also supported the fight against cybercrime. In another joint Interpol-Afripol initiative, Nigeria worked along with 24 other countries across Africa to identify criminal networks linked to large financial losses. As a result of Operation Africa Cyber Search, 14 suspects, cyber criminals were arrested, and over 20,000 suspicious cyber networks were identified, and over $40 million were recovered. Interpol's role would not be possible without the support of the member countries, including its 54 member countries across Africa. Africa is a very important region which has a great future and bright future. You continue to assist us to ensure that innocent victims are protected from some of the most common crime trends facing Africa, including human trafficking and migrant smuggling and financial crimes and fraud and also cyber crimes. As the economic and political and technological landscape continue to evolve rapidly, and as we navigate a period of uncertainty, it is more important than ever before to join forces to tackle the challenges of tomorrow. As the technology advances, we will experience more and more complex challenges, with the criminals taking advantage of boundaries between the physical and digital to create more sophisticated, borderless criminal landscape. Interpol's member countries are stronger together by staying ahead of the curve and anticipating police challenges of the future. We can target organized criminal groups conducting financial crimes which undetermined global financial systems, slowing down economic growth and causing loss to businesses and individuals globally. Interpol is working to safeguard economic prosperity throughout our financial crime and anti-corruption center. The growth of illicit transnational financial crimes has grown rapidly in recent years, causing massive losses to businesses and individuals worldwide, while threatening governing bodies. Interpol Financial Crime and Anti-Corruption Center work closely with the stakeholders such as the Financial Action Task for the strengthened efforts against financial crimes and corruption. However, our work is not possible without the support of our 195 member countries. Our Financial Crime and Anti-Corruption Center support member countries with the transnational investigations and shares crucial information with stakeholders to hold the criminals accountable. We also target global illicit financial flows, directing our efforts towards different types of money laundering schemes and to help recovering illicit funds. Together, we must encourage to ensure a shared responsibility, to exchange expertise and knowledge, and solutions for increased cooperation to make the world a safer place for us all. This is essential in the fight against the most challenging crime in the region and worldwide, especially as the criminal activities grow increasingly borderless and digital. I pledge to continue supporting our partners in law enforcement from around the world in their fights against any evolving forms of crimes. Thank you, IG, the Inspector General of Police, and the government of Nigeria for inviting me here to be with you today. I also feel the warmth of your hearts and the smile from the first minute I got in Nigeria. I look forward to working more closely together. Thank you for listening to me.